Are you losing money with binary option? Are you losing money with Forex? I have a good news for you. I have been trading both Forex and binary option for more than 20 years. I will say the last 6-7 years I've been doing it in profit. I am sharing every single trade I do with Forex and binary option. If you're interested to get all these signals for free with Forex, when I open a trade and when I close the trade. With binary option, I will trade on the 5 minute, 1 minute and 50 minutes. Whatever I see works with all of you. Okay, because this is something I'm starting now to share what I'm doing. Okay. So, what is going to happen here? The signals will come every single day. For binary option, there will be 1 hour specific every single day where we're trading. Some days I can have things going on, so I will change the time, but I will tell in front. So then you can follow every single trade I'm doing. So with the Forex, I trade without stop loss. So in that way, I will tell when I enter a trade and when I close the trade, because it's easier. You have more time to follow the trade. And some trades can go a little against us, and we probably go in one more time. But I have a very good idea about when to enter and when to close. I started a new account just 2 months ago. I built that account till now from $1,000 to $4,000. Okay, with binary option, I'm winning probably around 6-7 out of 10 trade. Most of the time up to 8. Okay, so if this is interesting for you and you want these signals, follow the instructions that you find below this video and you can start copying every single trade that I am doing completely for free. What I'm asking for Forex, open with one of the accounts that you find with the link that you find below, or with binary option, open with pocket option, but you need to open account with my link. With the Forex, you get up to 2x on your first deposit. Okay? With binary option, with my link, you get 50% on your first deposit. I know quite a lot of you have accounts from before, so make sure you close them down and reopen with my link. When it comes to Forex, if you for example have a pocket option account from before, open the Star Trader, okay, or vice versa. So with pocket option, if you have account there, close down your account, withdraw your money first of course. And the good thing, when you withdraw your money, you get 50% in top of what you have. So that's a very good deal for you. So I hope you take advantage of this, and I hope I see you in my VIP group. And there you have a community where you can just talk, share your trades, and I'll tell you what I think about the trades if you open any of yourself. Okay? So with that, have an amazing day, and I hope I see you there very soon. Hopefully tomorrow. Have an amazing day.